Hyperchloremia, Things You Should Know, Questions and Answers, by Rumi Michael Lee. Introduction. I would like to thank and congratulate you for listening to this book, Hyperchloremia, Things You Should Know, Questions and Answers. This book will help you understand, revise, and have a good general knowledge and keywords of hyperchloremia. Chapter 1. 1. What is hyperchloremia? Hyperchloremia is an electrolyte imbalance due to excessive chloride in the blood. 2. What is an electrolyte? An electrolyte is a mineral with an electrical charge. 3. What is the function of chloride in the body? Chloride participates in regulating the fluids in the body, the contraction of muscles, etc. 4. What organ regulates the electrolytes in the body? The kidney regulates the electrolytes in the body. 5. Can hyperchloremia be caused by diabetes? Yes, hyperchloremia can be caused by diabetes. 6. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a chronic disease that causes high blood sugar. 7. High blood sugar can also be called hyperglycemia. 8. Can hyperchloremia be caused by corticosteroids? Yes, hyperchloremia can be caused by corticosteroids. 9. Can respiratory alkalosis cause hyperchloremia? Yes, respiratory alkalosis can cause hyperchloremia. 10. Can chronic kidney disease cause hyperchloremia? Yes, chronic kidney disease can cause hyperchloremia. Chapter 2. 1. Can diarrhea cause hyperchloremia? Yes, diarrhea can cause hyperchloremia. 2. Can metabolic acidosis cause hyperchloremia? Yes, metabolic acidosis can cause hyperchloremia. 3. Is muscle weakness a sign and symptom of hyperchloremia? Yes, muscle weakness is a sign and symptom of hyperchloremia. 4. Is fatigue a sign and symptom of hyperchloremia? Yes, fatigue is a sign and symptom of hyperchloremia. 5. Is low blood pressure a sign and symptom of hyperchloremia? No, low blood pressure is not a sign and symptom of hyperchloremia. 6. Low blood pressure is also called hypotension. 7. Is high blood pressure a sign and symptom of hyperchloremia? Yes, high blood pressure is a sign and symptom of hyperchloremia. 8. High blood pressure can also be called hypertension. 9. What is blood pressure? Blood pressure is the force exerted by the blood on the walls of the arteries every time the heart beats. 10. What is the optimal blood pressure? The optimal blood pressure is 120/80ths of a millimeter of mercury. Chapter 3. 1. What does 120 represent in optimal blood pressure? 120 represents systole. 2. What is systole? Systole is the contraction of the heart. 3. What does 80 represent in optimal blood pressure? 80 represents diastole. 4. What is diastole? Diastole is the relaxation of the heart. 5. What does mmHg represent in optimal blood pressure? mmHg represents millimeter mercury. 6. Are the signs and symptoms of hyperchloremia always noticed by the person? No, not always. The signs and symptoms of hyperchloremia are not always noticed by the person. 7. Can hyperchloremia cause excessive thirst? Yes, hyperchloremia can cause excessive thirst. 8. Can children also have hyperchloremia? Yes, children can also have hyperchloremia. 9. Are there complications of hyperchloremia? Yes, there are complications of hyperchloremia. 10. Can hyperchloremia lead to fluid retention? Yes, hyperchloremia can lead to fluid retention. Chapter 4. 1. Can hyperchloremia lead to seizures? Yes, hyperchloremia can lead to seizures. 2. Can hyperchloremia lead to a coma? Yes, hyperchloremia can lead to a coma. 3. Can hyperchloremia eventually lead to death? Yes, hyperchloremia can eventually lead to death if not treated properly. 4. What are other complications of hyperchloremia? Other complications of hyperchloremia are kidney failure, kidney stones, muscle issues, bone issues, heart issues, etc. 5. Can hyperchloremia be diagnosed? Yes, hyperchloremia can be diagnosed. 6. How is hyperchloremia diagnosed? Hyperchloremia can be diagnosed by a chloride blood tests, urine test, etc. 7. Can hyperchloremia be treated? Yes, hyperchloremia can be treated. 8. What are the treatments for hyperchloremia? The treatments for hyperchloremia are hydration, reduction of salt intake, the use of sodium bicarbonate, dialysis, intravenous fluids, etc. 9. What is dialysis? Dialysis permits the filtration of the blood when the kidneys are not functioning well. 10. What is pH? pH is the measure of the acidity of a solution. Chapter 5. 1. What is a metabolic panel? A metabolic panel enables the control of the levels of different substances in the blood. 2. Should caffeine be consumed during hyperchloremia? No, caffeine should not be consumed during hyperchloremia. 3. Why should caffeine not be consumed during hyperchloremia? Caffeine should not be consumed during hyperchloremia because it makes dehydration worse. 4. Should alcohol be consumed during hyperchloremia? No, alcohol should not be consumed during hyperchloremia. 5. Why should alcohol not be consumed during hyperchloremia? Alcohol should not be consumed during hyperchloremia because it makes dehydration worse. Conclusion. Thank you again for listening to this book. I hope it has helped you in your journey to understanding hyperchloremia.